fine and safe at home. I am Malin Poddar from Market and Drama, and today our topic is listen to your elders. Do you know what does that mean? इसका मतलब ये है कि हमें अपनी बड़ों की बात सुननी चाहिए. अगर हम अपनी बड़ों की बात नहीं सुनते हैं तो you know what happens? Okay, come on, let's go together and watch the story and we will see what will happen if we do not listen to our elders. Once upon a time, an elderly bird and two young birds built a nest on a tall and well-grown tree. एक बार एक बड़ी चिड़िया और उसके साथ दो छोटी चिड़िया ने एक नेस्ट बनाया एक बहुत बड़ी ट्री में. A thin climber started to grow around the tree. On seeing this, the elderly bird warned young birds, "See, a climber has started to grow. If we let it grow like this, we will have to face many problems. Come, let's cut it down immediately." The first young bird said, "नहीं, हम इसे नहीं काटेंगे. ये बहुत सुंदर है and it is making our tree look more beautiful." The elderly bird said, "What looks beautiful today may turn out to be danger tomorrow. You have no experience, so better listen to me." The second young bird said, "Please, let us do what we want to do. Just because आप बड़े हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप हर चीज़ करने से हमें रोकोगे." ये बोलकर दोनों younger birds उड़ गए. The elderly bird was sad because he knew that now or later danger will come and the young birds will realize their mistake. कुछ साल बाद क्लाइंबर बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया और पूरी ट्री पर लिपट गया. एक शिकारी वहाँ से गुजर रहा था. उसकी नज़र उस ट्री की क्लाइंबर पर पड़ी. शिकारी ने उस क्लाइंबर को सीढ़ी की तरह ट्री पर चढ़ने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया. After reaching on top the tree, the hunter set a trap. He put a net on the nest to catch the birds. And later he hid behind the bushes. But the birds had not returned. Till then he thought that he will come back later and take the birds. So the hunter went away from there. All the birds came back to their nest and they all got caught in the hunter's net. The elderly bird said, "Look, what has happened? You both did not listen to me." The first young bird said that, "I am sorry. It was my mistake. Who said no first? We both are sorry for what has happened." The elderly bird started to think and said, "Look, it is still not late. If you both listen to me, we all can get safe." Both the birds said, "Yes, we will listen to you." Then listen. जब शिकारी वापस आएगा तब हम सब मरने की एक्टिंग करेंगे. शिकारी को लगेगा कि हम सब मर गए हैं और वह हमें एक एक करके नीचे फेंक देगा और हम शिकारी के नीचे आने से पहले सब उड़ जाएंगे. Then they heard the noise of the hunter and they started acting as the hunter climbed up and saw that all the birds were dead. The hunter thought, "I will get money of dead birds, so let me throw the birds down one by one." The birds waited for the last bird to come down. As the hunter came down from the tree, the birds flew away. The hunter thought, "Birds made a fool out of me." And all the birds flew away safe and happily. सब क्या हो गए? सेफ हो गए और आराम से उड़ गए खुशी खुशी. The moral of the story is that if we listen to our elders, we will stay safe from the unexpected problems in our life. So children, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.